Managing rental properties isn't what it used to be. Whether you're overseeing a handful of units or managing a large portfolio, keeping up with tenant demands, maintenance requests, and lease tracking is a constant juggling act. The global property management software market is expected to grow from $22 billion in 2023 to $52.2 billion by 2032, and that growth reflects one clear fact. The old ways of managing properties just aren't cutting it anymore. The real estate industry is moving faster than ever. Property managers who fail to embrace automation and data-driven decision-making risk losing tenants, revenue, and efficiency in a digital-first market. Property management software offers more than convenience. It helps landlords and property managers automate essential tasks, reduce errors, and create a seamless experience for both their teams and their tenants. The best platforms go beyond rent collection, giving you tools to track maintenance, automatically post vacancies on major listing sites, and offer tenants an easy way to pay online, sign leases electronically, and request service from their phones. With millennials and Gen Z renters expecting fast, mobile-friendly services, offering this kind of experience isn't optional anymore, it's essential. In fact, rental applications from Gen Z jumped 391% in 2022, adding millions of young renters to the market, and they expect technology to be part of their rental experience. If you're not sure which property management software fits your business, check our updated article where we break down the top options for small landlords, HOA managers, remote investors, and even short-term rental hosts. We also cover must-have features, including AI leasing tools, automated reporting, and integrations with smart home systems. Whether you're looking for an all-in-one platform, free software, or something tailored to your type of properties, the right tools can help you work smarter, not harder, and keep your tenants happy along the way. You can read the full article now on our website, and also add this podcast to your Spotify playlist to stay ahead with the latest property management insights.